I got this.
We live in a time where we can get access to fast cars, huge mansions, private jets, delicious food, designer wear, and much more, which makes the Stone Age man quite jealous. But even though this stuff exists, there's one obstacle which can stop you from living your dream life.
I'm talking about this.
While many people depend on a single source of income in order to overcome this obstacle, the average millionaire plays the game of money in a quite different way. Today I'm gonna talk about not 3, not 5, but 7 sources of income which you can build over time.
1 for you and 1 for me. 2 for you and 1, 2 for me. 3 for you and 1, 2, 3 for me. Yeah.
What's up, Doc?
1 for you.
The most common source of income is earned income. This is what you get from a job. This includes from the average worker to CEO. Other professionals like doctors and teachers fall into this category. Here you exchange time which you work for money. This is a great place to start your financial journey. But the dangerous part is staying in this category, because this type of income leverage your time, which you have a limited amount of. The second stream of income is profit income. This includes selling products or services at an amount which is higher than it costs to produce. This is the stage where you move from employee to entrepreneur. This type of income is scalable, as you have the control on how much money you can make by improving your business. Building a profitable business has become so easy with the help of the internet, where you can connect with low-cost manufacturers and sell the products online. Taking a step further, you can also recruit new people to work in your business, so that you can automate the entire business model, where you can take a step back, enjoy your profit income, and chill. When you invest in that pay a part of their income to the shareholders, the income you earn is known as dividend income. When you invest in a company, you become a shareholder, and when that company reports its profit, the company will send a check to their shareholders, typically every quarter. As a shareholder, you are a part owner of the company, so when the company distributes its dividends, you get a part of their profits. Remember, not all companies listed in the stock market provides dividends. You can learn more about how to make money in the stock market in my future videos. Interest income is a very popular source of income. This is where you put your hard-earned money to work for you. Investing in treasury bills, bonds, and fixed deposits can give you a secure return on your investment. This type of income is also known as passive income, because to earn interest, your active involvement is not needed. Rental income typically comes from buying real estate and renting it out to other people. It doesn't necessarily have to be home rentals. You can also buy commercial properties and rent it out to businesses, or industrial real estate, which is rented out to manufacturers. Rental income can also be earned by renting out equipment, cars, or instruments, etc.
Therefore, I have value.
Rental income is income produced by lending a property in exchange for money. This is the type of income where you continuously get paid after your work is done. Music artists, for example, allow streaming services and record labels to produce and sell their music, so they earn royalties every time the music is streamed or someone buys the record.
Chabert, Peter Franco, Mick Gazowski.
Florian Lagata, Daniel Lerner, and Bob Ludwig.
Even multiple royalties can be earned from the same property. The best example is J.K. Rowling.
Harry Potter!
Where she was able to earn royalties from books, movies, and even merchandise based on her characters. Even though it's been 21 years since the first Harry Potter book, she still earned royalties up to this day.
Money, 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 must be funny in the rich man's world.
That must be him. Now, we're doing the right thing, aren't we? We should sell.
Oh my God, she's buckling, Dad. Throw some cold water on her.
Carlton! Of course we're doing the right thing, sweetheart.
The final source of income which you can add to your bank account is capital gains.
It's free real estate.
When an asset which has appreciated in value is sold, you earn a capital gain. For example, if we bought 100 shares of a company at $20 per share,
Much later.
and you sell it for $120, you just made $10,000 in capital gains. The good news about this type of income is that it is taxed less compared to other sources of income. Owning any asset which has the potential to appreciate in value can produce a capital gain. While many people know about few sources of income, now you know multiple sources of income which you can add to your life.
This can't be true. My wildest dreams finally come true!
Question:
Turn to page 394.
which stream of income would you like to add to your bank account next? Give this video a thumbs up and comment your answer down below. Hit the subscribe button to learn more and earn more through my future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video.
Hey,
Hey,
where were you?
I got lost.
We were worried about you.
Oh,
Good thing you're back.
yeah,
So much for Paris, right?
would have been fun.
Night.
Night. You look nice.
Oh,
Hey!
hey.
Look, I'm not ready for this trip to be over yet, and I kind of want to do something fun that's not on the itinerary or planned or with Mr. Harrington.
Yes.
Yes, like you want to go?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. I'll see you outside in 10 minutes.
Meet me outside in 5 minutes.
5 is good.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Tisíce lidí. Naštěstí zasáhli superhrdinové Mysterio a Night Monkey, kteří zastavili ohňové monstrum.
Hey,
Hey.
so where do you want to go?
Who cares?
Awesome.
Okay.
Let's go.